Ta-da! There we go. So I'm just getting back from work, just for half an hour, taking a little break. I'm not even turning the lights on or anything, getting the room ready. Just want to let you guys know that Luna Classic is now down another 15-20% from the all-time highs. The coin is starting to sell off. Luna or Terra 2 is also starting to sell off. That's over 40% down from its all-time highs. People are panic selling right now, wanting to make their money. Don't want to lose any money right now on them. But I'm not. I'm looking to hold this for the long run. And when you're investing, guys, don't buy coins that you're afraid to lose money. And it seems like that's the huge thing that's happening now with this coin. People are panic selling, trying to get as much profit as they can before it starts to go down. If you're holding a currency for the long run, you have to realize that there are going to be ups and downs. This is why I told people when I first put out the video, do not buy into the FOMO. Wait for it to cool off. We're already down almost 35-40% from its all-time highs with Luna Classic. It goes to show you that patience is a virtue. I am still up with the currency. I am still up 200%. I was up close to 400%, but now I'm closer now to 200%. And I'm still happy. I'm still content. I am still earning yield. I still have coins staked. I made an extra $6.50 a day. That's what it seems to be roughly now, $6.50 a day yield. I feel like every week that will start to grow a little bit more and more. The yield is high. When more people start buying into this coin again, the transactions will go up. So even when it goes up or down, we make a lot more because we are in a validation pool. Where currency is in that pool. So we're making rewards off the validator. And I'm still collecting a lot of coin from it. So when it goes up or down, I'm collecting coin. At the end of the day, I'm waiting to see if I can make $1 million off this. I have no interest in selling any of it right now. I'm good. And I just want you guys to know that if you've already invested into it and you're down, you have to really think, did you invest in it because you wanted to see this grow? Or did you invest in this because you wanted to make some money really quickly? That's really what you got to look into it, because I'm here for the long run. When I started investing in Luna, it was when everyone was panicking and everyone sold out. And I am now up 200% still. I have no interest in buying anymore, and I have no interest in selling. I just want to hold and see how long it goes and see how much I can earn from staking. Because if this coin does reach $1, and it's a huge, huge if, every day that I'm making 650 coins, that's going to be $650 for me. So that's where my head is at right now. And that's what I'm going to do with it. And it's only $100 that I put in. So at the end of the day, I'm not afraid of losing it. So I'm not going to panic sell. But like I said before, if you're putting in too much money that you're afraid to lose, then that is not a good idea to do. That is a horrible mistake. You should not invest what you're afraid to lose, because stuff like this happens all the time, especially if you're going into risky plays like LUNC. So if you get any value from this, guys, hit the subscribe button. We're going to see how far we can go with LUNC. Let's see if we can get to this 1 million. I'd love to see it. I'm earning yield every single day, and I'll show you every week. But I just wanted to explain to you guys that the huge panic sell right now is because people like you who bought in too high are selling because you're afraid that you're going to lose money, and that is the wrong way to get into cryptocurrency. You should not get in fearing loss of money. You should get in because you have some money that you want to invest in a company and you want to stay with it long term. Day trading is really rough, and swing trading can be rougher if you're afraid to lose money. So keep it in for the long run. You never know what's going to happen. if it goes up 1,000, if it goes up 2,000 in your like percent, I mean, that's phenomenal. And that has happened with cryptocurrencies. They've gone up in crazy amounts. And I feel like LUNC is one of those that will eventually do that in the long term. I feel like it's going to go through ups and downs right now, but you're going to see people, once this coin gets down to a certain point, when all the people who've done selling it off go away, you're going to see big institution, big money starting to go in whales. And whales are people that hold a lot of money. You're going to see them dump a pile of money into it and wait like the sharks for people in the retail to swim right back in like the little fishies, and then they're going to chomp down and take your money. So that's why the thing is, they can't take your money if you sell it. If you sell your currencies, they're buying it at a cheaper rate. So the smart thing to do is, if you're going into investing, invest for the long term. Get into businesses and companies and cryptocurrencies that you believe in, that you think will go the long run in the future. That's how you're going to make money. And even if you only go up 10, 20% in 5 or 6 years, that is a hell of a lot better than what you're doing right now by selling at a cheaper price, by selling it 10, 20% cheaper than what you paid for. All right, I know I'm really long-winded on these things, so sorry guys. I just wanted to get in, and I don't want people to be losing money, and I don't want people to have bad experiences with cryptocurrency, and I don't want to see people who are investing in LUNC see these prices drop and feel like, oh, I got to get out now. Because in the long run, as long as you own the coin, you own the value, you just have to wait for the prices to go up, and that's all. It may take weeks, it may take months, it may take years, but selling it and losing 20%, it's hard to see sometimes. It's really hard to see. You weren't ready to lose that money. That's all I can say. All right. See you later, guys.